How long does it take to permanently delete your Instagram account? Wondering how long it really takes for your Instagram account to be permanently deleted? Let's break it down into two key stages. First, there's a 30-day waiting period. Once you request to delete your account, Instagram keeps it inactive and hidden from others for 30 days. During this time, you can change your mind. Just log back in and your account will be restored. No harm done. After the 30 days are up, your account is no longer accessible. However, Instagram may take up to 90 additional days to fully delete your data from their servers, including backups. Here's the timeline. Your account disappears from view after 30 days, but Instagram may need up to 90 days to completely erase all your data. If you're not ready to say goodbye, just log in during the waiting period to cancel the process and keep your account. Got more questions about Instagram? Drop them in the comments, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.